Unzip the event's tent case. Stand the frame upright and remove from the bag. On opposite corners, lift off the ground and slowly step backwards until half open. Unfold the tent's canopy. Take two corners of the canopy and cover the half-open frame. Attach the velcros from each corner of the canopy to the corresponding framed corner and continue opening the frame. Line up the sew line to the center of the frame's leg. From the sides, push the inside part of the frame upward. Raise the sliders at each corner until they snap into place. Extend the legs by pushing down on the feet and lifting up until they snap into place. Attach the Velcro from the canopy to all four sides of the frame. Adjust the top height of the event tent by turning the handle inside at the center of the tent. The handle extends out and folds back for your convenience.